Hey guys, welcome to part 4, which is project number 3. And I went through the stuff again and picked out a few things I wanted to combine. And this is the canvas that I put napkin on top of. I think I painted it black first, and then I put a napkin on top. And so I went through and I found a few things I liked with this. And this is one of those book text papers we covered with a napkin. This is one of our borders that we made with a ruler that you tear the edges with. And this is one of the lollipops we made. So I was putting this down on the canvas. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do this. And I think I want the border over here, like that. And then I want the paper kind of down a little bit like that. And then I thought I would put the lollipop right in the center of the paper with the napkin on it. I think that's kind of cute that way. I could do it like this, but I don't really want to do that. I don't like it as much. And I could do across the bottom. And you'll lose some of this border down here, but we're going to lose a lot of this anyway, and that's okay. Maybe I could do it this way. Like this is a flower growing out of the ground of the border. So I'm going to decide which way I want to do this, and then I'm just going to glue it all together. Okay, I decided that I like it like this. Alright, I'm just going to use regular school glue for this. Alright, so I'm going to put this down here, down the bottom. A little bit's going to hang off the edge, that's fine. I think it looks cute. Let's go ahead and glue the border down. We'll cut off the extra we don't need. Put that down right about there. Okay, I'm going to trim that off. Alright, and then I've got my lollipop. And I didn't distress the edges of these. I decided not to, but I did distress the stamping I did. I haven't showed you that yet. So I'm going to put a bunch of glue back here. I really want a lot of glue so it'll stay down, and I don't think I need any on the stick, but I want this to stay down. Okay, let's find our little spot. About right there. You'll still see some of the border right through here and right up here. And then I stamped out the words lollipop balloons. I thought that was just really cute. So I'm going to put that here and I think here. I did distress the edges of that. I don't know why, I just did. Maybe to help it stand out some. Okay, that's all I'm going to do to this. We are done. I think it's really cute. I could hang it if I wanted to. I could stick it on top of a journal once a journal's done. I can prop it up on my little shelf over there. I can, you know, whatever. I can take it apart later and change it around. You can do anything you want to do. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for part 5, which will be project number 4.